Ripple case, legal expert says XRP doomsayers are overstating the SEC's chances. Welcome back to the Crypto God channel, where we bring you the most recent and intriguing XRP news. We are giving away 1000 XRP to those who are watching. All you have to do is like and subscribe. Comment XRP is king and watch the video till the end to verify your subscription. As the conclusion of the widely publicized lawsuit between the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and Ripple Labs looks to be drawing near, one particular leading legal expert had a few things to add in favor of the blockchain company. Specifically, defense lawyer and popular commentator on the case, Johnny Deaton, said that the SEC was overstretching its arguments, drawing attention to the Howey analysis the regulator used to assert that the XRP token was a security, as he explained in a Twitter thread on January 16. He specified that the SEC's argument, in which it claims that the XRP token is a security at all times, was in itself evidence that the use of the Howey test in the case of Ripple Labs and XRP was problematic and a difficult thing to carry out. Deaton highlighted the 3,000 affidavits showing the first-time XRP buyers weren't aware of Ripple, that they purchased it for non-investment reasons, receiving benefits from XRP completely independent of Ripple, and the fact that the SEC's expert witness backtracked on arguing Ripple was a common enterprise. As he stressed, if you carefully read the SEC's brief, it claims XRP is the common enterprise itself. It actually says it. But guess what? The SEC also claims that XRP itself represents all the promises and inducements and efforts made by Ripple since 2013 until the present. SEC's chances are slim? In Deaton's view, all of this proves that the SEC is in the wrong, that XRP satisfied both the second and third prongs of Howey, and that its chances at winning the case are slim. On top of that, the attorney posted a section of his submitted argument and said that, in his view, that's not how a Howey analysis works, and it certainly doesn't make a token itself always a security no matter the circumstances. People predicting the SEC will definitely win and that XRP is doomed are overstating the SEC's chances. The SEC's allegations are stretched too far. XRP price analysis. Meanwhile, the price of the token involved in this lawsuit has been recording gains in line with the general cryptocurrency market sentiment, seeing it grow 10.97% across the week, adding up to the cumulative growth of 10.03% over the month, at press time standing at $0.3876. At the same time, XRP's market cap stands at $19.66 billion, as the token holds the position of the sixth largest cryptocurrency by this indicator, according to the data retrieved by Finbold from the crypto tracking platform CoinMarketCap on January 17. Indeed, a positive ruling in the lawsuit against the financial regulator could have a tremendous bullish effect on the price of XRP in the short term. Given Deaton's optimism that the SEC will lose the case, the odds could indeed be in the favor of Ripple and XRP. Bonus article: Ripple, billionaire investors get into XRP, betting on win against SEC. One of the top digital asset managers has discovered that many institutional investors are confident of a victory for Ripple Labs in its court battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. According to the newest CoinShares weekly report on crypto fund flows, many institutional investors have started accumulating large volumes of XRP tokens even though there has been intense selling pressure on most of the top digital assets. The report revealed that these large-scale investors bought XRP tokens worth $3 million. The SEC claims that Ripple was selling its XRP tokens without registering the token with the appropriate authorities and that the XRP tokens are securities. However, the asset manager's study reveals that many investors are confident that the SEC has no valid proof to support its claims. A positive impact on XRP's price. The report states that the investment community is increasingly confident that the improved clarity on Ripple's court battle with the SEC would positively impact XRP's price. Nevertheless, there were massive outflows on crypto asset managers' investment products this past week, a trend that hasn't stopped since the last week of last month. The CoinShares report read, this past week, total outflows from crypto investment products was $9.7 million, which further proves the negative sentiment concerning these products isn't over despite starting 3 weeks ago. Investment products for the number one digital asset, BTC, recorded the highest outflows. According to the report, there was $6.5 million worth of outflows for BTC alone, thus, indicating negative investors' bias at the start of 2023. By comparison, there was $3.1 million worth of outflows from Ethereum investment products. These ETH investment products outflows are happening for the 8th successive week. Also, there were $4.5 million in outflows from multi-crypto investment products. These are investment products that comprise varying cryptocurrencies. On the contrary, there were inflows worth $0.2 million for Litecoin, LTC, and Binance Coin, BNB, investment products. Ripple files motion to remove one SEC expert testimony. Meanwhile, Ripple wants the court to strike out one of the SEC's expert testimonies, SEC Expert 2, including its exhibits. Ripple made the request after the expert failed to confirm or deny that Ripple was selling unregistered XRP tokens as securities. The blockchain firm further said that the SEC expert's explanation of the 1934 SEC Act does not correlate with the case. Ripple added that the expert has little experience with digital assets and failed to analyze the material disclosures for XRP purchasers. The last point is essential since it is the basis for the materiality analysis under the Supreme Court law. Similarly, the U.S. financial watchdog has filed a motion to exclude 10 Ripple expert testimonies, noting that the testimonies did not pass the three main criteria of the Howey test. The SEC wants to remove 4 Ripple expert testimonies: Carol Osler, Professor Alan Schwartz, Alan Farrell, and Peter Adrians. For instance, the SEC wants the removal of Schwartz's testimony due to contact interpretation which the regulator deems inappropriate. Ripple attorney lends further argument on why SEC is wrong about XRP. Details. Ripple attorney John Deaton has shared further insight into why he believes the argument of the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, makes a case that can grant Ripple Labs the victory in the ongoing case over the status of XRP coins. According to Deaton, the SEC's claims that XRP is a security at all times is proof that the Howey test has no simple definition, which makes its use in determining if an asset is a security an arduous task. Deaton said that about 3,000 amicus briefs submitted to the court revealed that first-time buyers of XRP did not even know Ripple Labs existed or had any influence whatsoever with the coin. Over the course of this lawsuit, which began in December 2020, the SEC has drafted an expert to testify against XRP. Deaton noted that the expert made an attempt to call the entirety of the XRP community a common enterprise according to the provisions of the Howey test. A common enterprise is when the profits of the investor are combined with and depend on the success of third parties or those selling the investment. Deaton said the claims are unfounded since the expert did not interview any XRP holder, and the SEC did not include the expert's position in its summary judgment. Strong hopes for Ripple. With all of the observations and discrepancies noted by attorney Deaton, he said that those who believe the SEC has a chance to win the case are overestimating the regulator's chances. People predicting the SEC will definitely win and that #XRP is doomed are overstating the SEC's chances. The SEC's allegations are stretched too far, Deaton said. As the subject of the ongoing lawsuit, the XRP coin has been battered in terms of its price and is currently trading at $0.3893, down 89.92% from its ATH of $3.84. Many believe a win for Ripple would be a major turning point for the XRP coin. Machine learning algorithm sets XRP price for February 1, 2023. As the end of the widely publicized lawsuit between the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and Ripple Labs approaches, investors are hoping that a favorable ruling in the case against the financial regulator will have a significant bullish impact on the price of XRP in the short term. With much recently made about an artificial intelligence, AI, with AI tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT, investors are now looking to deep learning algorithms to gauge future crypto price trends. Notably, the machine learning algorithm at Price Predictions projects that XRP will likely extend the bullish trend from January to February. Per the projection, the asset is expected to trade at $0.400353 on February 1, representing an increase of about 2.8% from the token's price at the time of publishing. As things stand, XRP has a total market capitalization of $19.6 billion, adding over $2.5 billion from January 1, when its market cap stood at $17.1 billion at the start of the year. The token also holds the position of the 6th largest cryptocurrency by this indicator. From a technical perspective, TradingView's technical analysis, TA, indicators on one-day gauges are mainly bullish, with their summary pointing toward buy at 11. These results are aggregated from oscillators pointing toward neutral at 9, with one for sell and one for buy. Moving averages at the same time indicate a buy at 10, as opposed to sell at 4 and neutral at 1. Given that defense lawyer and popular commentator on the case, John E. Deaton's optimism that the SEC will lose the case, the odds could indeed be in the favor of Ripple and XRP. As the attorney pointed out that the SEC's argument, in which it claims that the XRP token is a security at all times, was itself evidence that the use of the Howey test in the case of Ripple Labs and XRP was problematic and a difficult thing to carry out. All of this, according to Deaton's analysis, shows that the SEC is incorrect in its conclusion that XRP met the second and third prongs of Howey, and hence that the SEC has very little likelihood of success in this case. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to help us grow the channel. Also don't forget to follow us on Twitter at GDCrypto_ to stay informed on breaking crypto news.